Universitas Airlangga telah menggelar International Workshop Brantas River of Life pada Selasa 17 Oktober 2023 di Ruang Sriwijaya Asset Tower Universitas Airlangga. Dalam kegiatan tersebut menghadirkan Presiden of LDI, Kepala Kantor Provinsi Jawa Timur, dan perwakilan Gubernur Jawa Timur. Telah hadir pula Badan Riset dan Inovasi Nasional, Badan Perencanaan Pembangunan Nasional, dan Asian Development Bank.
My name is Arnold Tucker. I'm a professor at Leiden University and I'm also scientific director of the Leiden-Delft Erasmus Center for Sustainability. And I think it's obvious. Indonesia has big problems with water management, with waste and all these kind of things. Maybe you look at my country, the Netherlands, as a country that all solved it. Well, to some extent we have. But then don't forget that 30 to 35 years ago, we were probably at the same problems as your country at this moment had. That is not very long ago. I was a young guy working in the ministry, looking at these problems, looking what we could do. And then of course the senior management with youngsters like me, we somehow solved it. We put in technologies in place. The business was changed. We put in policy incentives in place. And what I really hope is that the people in the Brantas River Basin together can organize that as well. Because that is really I would say, the core of the matter. You have a lot of parties, a lot of municipalities, a lot of companies, small companies, large companies, a lot of authorities, from regional government to Bapingas to water management companies. And you really have to work together to go in the right direction. And if in this workshop we can see where to go together, I think you will be successful, also in Indonesia. Thank you.
Just aspect for the main day. Give your best smile. 1, 2, 3.